Hello OFW traders at mga newbie traders na kagaya ko dyan sa Pilipinas. Ang i-share ko sa inyo ngayon ay regarding sa plano ko na gumawa ng video regarding sa Mama strategy. Ang plano kong video na gagawin is a detailed guide on how to use Mama strategy to profit in the stock market. So this video series will be composed of 5 videos. So ang first is yung parameters ng Mama at isang video yon na will discuss solely sa parameters. Then ang number 2 is yung screening, how to screen stocks using the same setup, which is yung Mama nga. And then pangatlong video is yung entry. So we will talk about yung tamang entry, kasama rin doon yung risk management, and then pang-apat is yung monitoring of the stock position pag naka-entry ka na. And then the fifth one is yung exit strategy. So sa exit strategy, we will talk about different time frame involving different market conditions. So yun yung 5 na gagawin ko in the future. So I would be making it siguro every other day. Kaya ako gagawin ito because although ang Mama strategy just involve 2 or indicators, but marami pa rin sa ating na mga newbie somehow nalilito pa rin kung paano siya gagawin. As far as doon sa natutunan ko sa Traders Lounge, I will make it as much as possible yung simply at madaling intindihin na paggawa ng guide kung paano siya susundin. Let me again mention those 5 series na gagawin ko. So yung unang video is all about parameters. So isang video lang yun, puro parameters lang. Tapos pangalawa is yung screening, paano i-screen yung stocks using Mama setup. Pangatlo is yung entry. Yung entry, paano yung tamang entry. Pang-apat is yung pag-monitor, paano i-monitor yung stock pag nakapag-entry ka na. Then number 5, exit strategy that involves yung different time frames ng exits. So, yun lang guys. And pag hindi ka pa nakapag-subscribe sa channel, bago ka lang sa channel na ito, please subscribe and smash also that notification bell para pag nailabas ko na yung 5 video na sinasabi ko ay ma-notify kayo. And then I notice also sa channel analytics ng YouTube, although I tried to share my experience sa pagtitrade or yung journey ko sa pagtitrade sa OFWs, but then I noticed na 2 country lang yung merong viewers, from Saudi Arabia lang at saka UAE, and unfortunately wala dito sa Kuwait, which is dito ako nag-work ngayon, at ang marami ay nasa Pilipinas pa rin. So mostly mga millennials na gustong matutong mag-trade. At isa pa rin na notice ko is mostly sa viewers are not subscribed. So if you guys enjoyed or you learned something sa sinishare ko sa inyo, try to subscribe also para at least maengganyo akong gumawa pa ulit or mag-share sa inyo ng mga videos na aking natutunan sa pagtitrade. But I want to make it clear na I do not or I am not pretending na I am a expert sa trading. Isa lang din po akong baguhan, no? Actually, nasa second year pala ako. So, I consider tong pag-aaral sa pag-trade is a bachelor's degree. So, my target guys is 5 years. Kasi sabi nga nila, yung pag-learn ng isang bagong skill will require you around 10,000 hours para ma-master mo yun. So, if you devote around 4 hours per day sa pag-aaral, so pag kinumpute mo yan, nasa 5 years. So, hopefully, pagdating ng time na yun, consistent na tayo pagdating sa gains sa pagtitrade. So, yun yung aking objective. I am looking or I am aiming for the long haul. So, mahaba-haba pa ito. And I don't have any other choice but to succeed. Alam mo yun? So, prepare for the long haul kung gusto mo talagang matutong mag-trade. because if you are going to observe doon sa mga traders na ahead of our time, pag tinanong mo sila, they really spend a lot of time bago nagiging consistent. So, merong iba 3 years, pero mostly nasa 5 years. And ayon dun sa study na nabasa ko rin, yung traders, lahat ng traders, okay, start trading and quit, almost all of them, around 70% yata, quit during the second month or after 2 months, 70% ang nawala. And then, ilang porsyento na lang matitira in the next 2 years. Nasa 7% na lang yata. Dahil ang consistent gainers sa market doing stock trading is only around 1%. So, to be in that 1% guys, hindi basta-bastang endeavor yan. So, I am really planning for the long haul nitong journey ko to learn how to trade in the market. Okay? So, thank you. Yan lang sa ngayon. I will see you on those videos na gagawin ko. Thank you.